into Neymar. Could be a chance here. Goes for the return. It's Neymar! Oh! 1-0 Brazil!
What a goal!
Yes, I think so. Yeah, man, more competition, more stiffer ballers on the pitch. We'll have a better World Cup.
Yeah, man, because you what now? He might get more mature in the game, you know. He might get more mature and probably a theme time now. Because I know say Brazil time I come round again.
I'm gonna ask Christ. Him can back up that. I'm gonna ask you. Right there, sir.
Honestly, I do think so.
I don't think so, cause him should have do it already. And him not do it.
Neymar, long time I watch him in the World Cup and stuff like that. Long time I watch him in the World Cup and him go good.
Sure, he can.
No, I don't think he can lead them. I know he can lead them.
I'm a football fan, and 2 seasons ago, we have way bigger teams out there, much more qualified players. So, I don't think Brazil can make it this year, 2026, at the World Cup.
What you mean, man? For Neymar touch a field, anything can go on, man. Yeah, man, he come and get a good day. He can turn it around anytime.
Dog a top baller, anywhere they shine. You ever seen the dog go through the middle? Top baller.